So today I'm actually going Ikea, and it's mainly for my university shopping and stuff. And as you can see, I dyed my hair purple. Today you're going to join me when I go to Ikea, and I'll just show you some of the things I get. And obviously when I get all my uni stuff, I'm going to do a haul for you guys. So in this video you'll see just little clips of me and what I buy. So basically we're at Ikea now, and it's actually annoying because I have to wear this mask, but obviously it's fine because make sure that we're all safe. But it's kind of annoying because I wanted to look nice for the vlog, and now I'm just gonna have a mask on the whole time, but it's fine. So I'm gonna try and film as much as I can without being weird. These kind of plants are really cute actually. Oh my god, I can't grab it. I was thinking, I have a hanging plant from Ikea at home anyway, so I was thinking of just buying like a pink plant pot to put that in, because I'm planning on doing my room like pink and grey kind of. Obviously we're not allowed candles, otherwise I would buy one. But like this sort of thing is really cute actually. I just don't think I need a plant pot this big. So like I think I'll need this kind of like box, but I don't know whether to buy from here or somewhere else, because I saw some better in some other stores. It's like this kind of thing, and then it will fit loads of like important bits that you need to just put in. This is really pretty. I'd love to have a house like this. There's gold plant pots as well. That looks pretty good, the gold one there. But I don't know guys. I'm very indecisive. I kind of want to buy this because it's like really cute, but it's like quite small. This is like some spices and stuff. For my cutlery and stuff, I want to get like a coloured sort of one, but not this colour obviously. I don't know, I was thinking pink, but I'm doing pink for my room, so let's see. Okay, Mama, I have these. This sort of size is probably the best sort of one. Alright, so I think I'm gonna get this. It's grey, it doesn't really matter, it's for my kitchen, but I think it's a nice size, and it's literally only 50p, so it really doesn't matter, I'll just get it. So I was looking at like these storagey boxes, and I think I'm gonna get this one. It's actually pretty good size, and it's literally £4, and I think it will help to put some of my clothes in or something, I don't know, under my bed if there is any space. I'm gonna get these loofahs, they're £2. Looks like this, and I think I'll need it because I actually like using these in the shower, and it's 3 of them in these cute colors. So yeah, I think these are nice. I'm gonna get it. And now I'm thinking like whether to get a bath mat or not, because my accommodation is actually going to be one of those like open shower ones where the floor would get all wet, so I don't know if I should get this, although it's quite small, so I think it might be suitable. Alright, so I'm gonna get these resealable bags, and it's literally 75p for 25. So here I'm all at the saucepans and stuff, and I'm thinking I should get like a frying pan from somewhere else when it's like non-stick or whatever, but I want a wok, but like a small one, so I'm gonna try and look for one now. And then obviously like wooden spoons, can openers, that kind of thing, utensils. Probably gonna get a few of these. I'm not gonna show you every single thing, but if you watch a haul that I'm gonna make soon, then obviously you can see everything. So I'm gonna get this basic Ikea chopping board, just looks like that. And there's also like a grey one and then turquoise one for £1. I don't know how much this one is. Oh, it's £1.75, so I'm gonna get this. The thing is, some of the things I might not get from here, I might just get from somewhere that's actually a bit cheaper, because Ikea's things aren't even that cheap, honestly. Alright, so I decided to get one of these. I want like a little alarm clock kind of thing, just so I can see the time easily. I'm not going to get like a massive clock. And this has been reduced to £1.50 from £4.50, so it's really good. Good deal. Gonna get that. Alright, so this is basically everything I got so far. I didn't get that much. Like I didn't get loads of saucepans and frying pans and all that stuff, because as I said, I'm probably going to get them from somewhere better. Because obviously Ikea do a lot of like basic sort of things, and I don't want to have the same thing as everyone else, so I didn't choose loads of very generic items. So obviously, as you can see, I'm walking around the warehouse part, and then we're gonna pay and then eat something because I'm hungry. But yeah, just wait for a haul soon. I'm probably gonna wait until I get more uni stuff, because obviously I haven't got that much yet, and then I'm gonna do a haul. So if you guys want to see that, then definitely thumbs up this video. Alright guys, so I'm home now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and hopefully I vlogged things alright for you guys. If you're going uni this year, please let me know down below in the comments what uni you're going to and how you're feeling about all this stuff. And I'm just super excited to start making more university content. So if you'd like to see that, then please hit the subscribe button down below and also thumbs up this video. And if you have any questions about anything, obviously comment down below and I'll always respond. Thanks so much for watching guys. Once the haul is up, I'll link that down below. So see you next time. Bye.